Can we do it?
At Garuda Aerospace, we deliver enterprise drone solutions built for real-world industries. Our drones help organizations see more, act faster, and make smarter decisions. For surveying and mapping, our drones capture high-accuracy aerial data, helping teams plan land, infrastructure, and projects with speed and clarity. In inspection and monitoring, drones safely check towers, pipelines, power lines, and assets, reducing risk, time, and manual effort. For industry and logistics, drones support asset tracking, site progress, inventory checks, and operational monitoring across large facilities. Through environmental monitoring, we help measure air, water, land conditions, and ecological changes, supporting sustainability and compliance. With safety and security solutions, drones assist in surveillance, emergency response, disaster assessment, and crowd or perimeter monitoring. We also offer specialized solutions designed for unique industry needs, advanced missions, and custom operational requirements. All of this comes together under one enterprise-ready drone ecosystem, powered by technology, training, and trusted expertise. Garuda Aerospace, driving industries forward from the sky.